The Acer USB-C to DisplayPort cable is a reliable choice. It stretches 6.6 feet. This length gives you flexibility. You can connect your devices easily. It supports impressive visuals. You get 4K resolution at 60 Hz. For gamers, 2K at 165 Hz is possible. This means smooth, clear pictures. It's built to last. The sturdy aluminum housing feels premium. It protects the cable well. This cable is truly plug and play. No drivers are needed. Just connect it and go. The Acer Thunderbolt to DisplayPort Cord is very convenient. It's a great solution. Furthermore, this cable is very versatile. It works with many devices. Thunderbolt 3, 4, and even 5 are compatible. This broad compatibility is a big plus. MacBook Pro and Air users will love it. iPhone 16 Pro and Max owners can use it too. Dell XPS laptops work seamlessly. Microsoft Surface devices are also supported. Therefore, it's a universal adapter. It handles various tech setups. This Acer Thunderbolt to DisplayPort Cord simplifies connections. You won't need many different adapters. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your display. Consequently, it saves space and hassle. Ultimately, this Acer Thunderbolt to DisplayPort Cord delivers. It's a workhorse for your display needs. Picture quality is crisp. Gaming is fluid. The durable design gives peace of mind. Moreover, its wide compatibility is excellent. It connects a vast array of devices. In conclusion, it's a smart investment. It improves your visual experience. It's a strong link in your tech chain. Hence, I highly recommend it. It simply gets the job done. Pros: gives 2K at 180 Hz, overall great quality cable. It just worked, plug and play, works flawlessly. Great build quality, no signal issues, perfect for high-res video, pretty fast and responsive, excellent quality, no setup required, no issues whatsoever, works super well. Great clarity. Cons: kernel panic when disconnecting, reproducible 3x already, macOS bug or cable issues. Features: length 6.6 feet, resolution 4K at 60 Hz, resolution 2K at 165 Hz, connector 1, USB-C, connector 2, DisplayPort, build, sturdy aluminum, functionality, plug and play, compatibility, Thunderbolt 3, 4/5 compatible, MacBook Pro, Air, compatible, iPhone 16 Pro, Max. This Acer USB-C to DisplayPort cable is 6.6 feet long and lets you connect your device to a monitor. It can show very clear 4K video at 60 frames per second, or super smooth 2K video at 165 frames per second, which is great for gaming. The cable has a strong aluminum design and is easy to use. Just plug it in. It works with many devices like MacBook Pro, Air, iPhone 16 Pro, Max, and other devices that use Thunderbolt 3, 4, or 5. This 6.6-foot Acer USB-C to DisplayPort cable is a well-built, plug-and-play solution that generally works flawlessly for high-resolution video, supporting 4K at 60 Hz and 2K at 165 Hz. And even 180 Hz for 2K. Users praise its excellent quality, fast performance, and ease of use with no setup required or signal issues. However, a significant concern is that disconnecting the cable from a MacBook Pro Air running macOS can cause a kernel panic, which is a serious system crash. And this issue has been replicated multiple times. This suggests a potential compatibility problem with macOS or a specific flaw in the cable that triggers this crash upon disconnection.